if your window has stopped going up and down, or if you press the button and all you hear is some noise, it's if you are hearing noise, that means the window motor is working, but the regulator, which is on the back here, is not. If you don't hear any noise at all, usually the problem is this right here, which is the window regulator motor, and we're going to show you how to remove that. First, you disconnect the connector, and right here we have 1, 2, 3 bolts. They're 7 millimeters. Once you remove the bolts, you can go ahead and pull it out like that. Go ahead and grab a new one. In this case, we're putting back the same one. What you need to do is this gear right here needs to go in there. Doesn't matter exactly, as long as you line up these bolts right here. Go ahead and put the bolts back in. And reconnect it.